This will be called ER2. I want to be very sure that I mentioned it correctly, because what I did wrong before, when I was at the end of what I said, I mentioned Genesis, which was a vast mistake. It is Exodus 28, verse 30, and verses before and after. I want to make sure that I'm correcting myself, because I do make mistakes now and then. Even I imagine such a thing. Now, I did mention this Bible here, which is called the Holy Bible, but it's also called Topical Reference Edition. Now, what I mentioned before is on both sides, let's go to this page for example, on both sides you will see the usual cross references, but in the center those are not cross references. Those are places where you go to the topical references. So when you find that little number in the center, that's where you go to topical references. Now, for example, that's what I did the other day in this. And you come to page, let's see, small print, we got 223. Now, you'll notice what I did on page 223. This takes you from that center column, not cross references, but center column, to this topical section. And I have made a certain line, as you can see, right on this side. You see that line right there? Now what that gives you is all of the places in the Bible where you can find Urim and Thummim. So that's why this is particularly helpful. That's what I mentioned before. So this topical reference Bible does give you constant topical references, plus plenty of cross references on both sides. So that's one of the values of this Bible, and it even shows you how to use it in the front and how to do it. And it says it's got 63,000 cross references, which is pretty good. But also those center numbers are what take you to that topical setting, and there you find all the places where that one particular idea or topic is put. So that probably gives you one of the better kinds of references for what I was talking about before. So this is called the Holy Bible Topical Reference Edition. Now, this is by Crusade Publishers, and this I have no idea where I got. Probably it was a gift down in the freebies, but it was done very early on, and it was done from Nashville, Tennessee, and it is something very worth finding if you can. I don't know where you can, but it's very worthwhile. So that's is ER2, just to give you another sample of correcting myself that it is in Genesis, not Exodus. So I hope you enjoy this ER and ER2.